Hello gentle viewers, so today will be my full face foundation routine slash products I use on a daily basis that I love and I recommend. So if you want to find out how to get this, then continue to watch. Sorry about the lighting, the sun seems to be going in and out of the clouds, so oh look at that, it just got kind of dark. This might happen a lot. So these days I tend not to wear that much makeup. I find a nice fake tan, throw on some bronzer and some mascara is good enough. And I own some pretty good products that I used to use and I thought maybe some people watching would like to see. So yeah. As usual, I'm already fake tanned. I fake tan my face as well. I know you can probably really freaking tell, can't you? Not wearing any makeup right now. And Sebastian has once again decided to join the video. I don't know if you can see him on camera. I can see his little face kind of like right here. No. Ow! He loves me so much. So before I do any makeup, I rinse my face with water and I put moisturizer on because I just feel like putting makeup on with moisturizers just works out so much better. Then I will use a primer of some kind. My really good primer that I used to use is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. It smells like coconuts. So if you're into that coconut vibe, get the cat hair out first, obviously. Probably don't want to put that cat hair on your face. Alright. Ugh. And just slather it the fuck on. Alright, hair is out of my face. Next we take a sip of my Starbucks. Oh, it's fresh. My all-time favorite foundation is the... Never get a cat. No. My all-time favorite foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I like the Hydrate and Smooth one. There's also like an oily face version. Yeah, it just works really well. I combine two different colors. They're dark as fuck colors because I like to be fake tanned. And there's like different like color schemes. I have a more reddy undertone to my skin and I just think that red undertones just look like so much better on me personally. And they also have like yellow tone ones that just don't work out well for me. But yeah, I have a whole bunch of these because I went a little crazy at one point in my life with makeup. So I have a lot of various shades. So yeah, so I use mostly the 130 and then I drop a little bit of this in here just to make sure I'm a little extra tan, if you know what I'm saying. Real Techniques buffing brush. I have two of these bad boys. It's really good. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I'm not forgetting anything, am I? Okay. And then I just kind of dot it around and then blend it out. I always put foundation down my neck. Always. I cannot stand it when it has the foundation line. I cannot stand it. Enjoy the MAC. What's it called? Mineralized skin finish in medium. It's just like a good old powder. Well, I'm just gonna blot it all over my face. So I've switched to my Tarte Hoola, I believe. Oh wait, no, this is Park Avenue Princess. I didn't even know that. I thought this was Hoola this whole time. Yeah, I've already hit pan on this tiny little sampler thing I have here. But I kind of switched it around with this MAC contour brush that likes to leave bristles on my face, so I kind of hate this brush, but it's all I have as a contour. Then I suck my cheeks in, and then I do that thing that everyone loves, like the contouring thing. And up here. I know what you're thinking. Because she's not tan enough already? No, I'm not tan enough already. I can always be more tan, trust me. Then I switch brushes and put more bronzer on. So usually, I don't know, I put way too much bronzer on. I'm gonna switch bronzers too. I'm gonna switch to my Bourjois. It's like the chocolate thing. It smells like chocolate. It smells like a chocolate bar. I switch to that, and then I switch to a Sephora brush. And just kind of load more on, you know. And blush, because everyone needs a little bit of blush in their life. I own a lot of blush, I'm not gonna lie. Lately I've been using this LA Girl one. It has like a little shimmer to it, and I'm really into it. Ah, what just happened? Brush came out, it's okay. It's called Nectar. Ooh, I like that name, Nectar. Put some nectar on my cheeks. Nectar of the gods. Do you know what the nectar of the gods is? Alcohol. One of my favorite highlighters is the Becca Champagne Powder. Champagne Pop. Becca Champagne Pop. And to my dismay, I smashed it recently. So that's always fun. But not gonna stop me from using it. Always put it on my top lip. Because it just makes my lips look so nude. Down my nose. In the corners of my eyes. Just take a blendable eyeshadow brush here. And then my go-to is the Naked 2 palette, Urban Decay, and Tease. No. I don't know how to show it to you guys. This is weird. This is awkward. It's like a brown. It's like a really light basic brown, and I just like throw it through my crease. Because I feel like it just makes your eyes look a little bit better, you know? Just a little bit more like, ooh. Make the weirdest faces when I put on makeup. Like I literally like just have my mouth open like the whole time, like, Does anybody else do that? Because I sure do. Alright, woo. And then I'll possibly grab a random little stunted guy here and put the same color just smack dab under right here. Boop. Under the outer area. Don't really know why people do this. I guess it looks good. Liquid eyeliner. Gotta love that liquid eyeliner. Lately, one of my all-time favorite is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. So good. Costs a lot of money, but it's worth the price. I ran out and couldn't afford to get a new one, and like last minute I looked online and saw that the Essence, just plain old, just different ones, but the extra long-lasting liquid eyeliner pen thing. It's like $3 and it's really good. It doesn't I mean, you can only get like 6 or 7. You can only get like a certain amount of uses out of it, and then like it starts to like dry up. But I mean, for $3, who cares, right? My lord, it is great. All right, it's just like it looks like a marker. You can just throw it on. Okay, you might not be able to see this very well, but freaking liquid eyeliner, man. If you mess up one side, then you have to like mess up the other side so it kind of matches. My CoverGirl Lash Blast mascara, my favorite hands down mascara of all time. It makes my eyelashes look so luscious and beautiful. Alright. To keep this painted on face into place, gotta have the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. This thing is a godsend. Best setting spray ever. So shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your all-nighter setting spray. Alright. And close your eyes and just spray. And it's gonna feel like your makeup is ruined because your face is so wet. But then you just dry it and your face is actually perfect. It's about that time. Alona's headed over, so I gotta stop recording now. And the sun's pretty much gone, so bye sun. Bye consistency in my video of lighting. Peace out!